Dear friends, in this video, we will discuss about skills required for cost management of construction plant and machinery. This is in continuation of my video, Skills Required for Construction Plant and Machinery Cost Management. Construction plant and machinery management includes equipment cost management. It entails successfully managing and regulating the expenditures related to the acquisition, operation, maintenance, and disposal of construction equipment. Construction projects can optimize their financial resources, control expenses, improve budget accuracy, and increase total project profitability by efficiently controlling equipment costs. Effective cost management also allows for informed decisions on equipment procurement, utilization, maintenance, and disposal. Here are some crucial principles for managing equipment costs. A. Budgeting and planning for equipment. B. Strategies for purchasing equipment. C. Total cost of ownership analysis. D. Optimization of equipment utilization. E. Management of fuel efficiency. F. Controlling maintenance and repair costs. G. Inventory and spare parts management. H. Disposal and resale of equipment. I. Performance metrics and data analysis. J. Management of vendors and suppliers. Now in brief, we will discuss about crucial principles for managing equipment costs. A. Budgeting and planning for equipment. Budgeting and planning for construction equipment involves the process of estimating, allocating, and managing the financial resources required for acquiring, maintaining, and replacing equipment used in construction projects. It is essential to have an effective budgeting and planning strategy to ensure that the right equipment is available at the right time and within the allocated budget. Here are some key considerations and steps involved in construction equipment budgeting and planning. 1. Project requirements. 2. Equipment inventory. 3. Equipment selection. 4. Cost estimation. 5. Budget allocation. 6. Financial options. 7. Equipment procurement. 8. Equipment maintenance and repairs. 9. Equipment replacement. 10. Documentation and reporting. Remember that construction equipment budgeting and planning is an ongoing process that requires regular evaluation and adjustment based on changing project requirements, industry trends, and financial constraints. B. Equipment strategies for purchasing equipment. Developing effective strategies for purchasing construction equipment is crucial for ensuring optimal utilization of resources and maximizing the return on investment. Here are some key considerations and strategies to follow when purchasing construction equipment. 1. Equipment needs assessment. 2. Budget constraints. 3. New versus used equipment. 4. Vendor selection. 5. Equipment specifications. 6. Equipment performance and reliability. 7. Equipment testing. 8. Total cost of ownership, TCO. 9. Equipment warranties and service agreements. 10. Resale value. By following these strategies, you can make well-informed decisions when purchasing construction equipment, leading to enhanced project efficiency, reduced downtime, and improved return on investment. C. Total cost of ownership analysis. Total cost of ownership, TCO, analysis is a comprehensive approach to evaluating the overall costs associated with owning and operating construction equipment throughout its entire life cycle. It goes beyond the initial purchase price and takes into account various cost factors over the equipment's lifespan. Here are the key elements to consider in a TCO analysis for construction equipment. 1. Purchase price. 2. Financing costs. 3. Depreciation. 4. Operating costs. 5. Downtime and productivity losses. 6. Operator training. 7. Insurance. 8. Storage and transportation. 9. Disposal or resale costs. 10. Equipment lifespan. When conducting a TCO analysis, it's essential to consider these factors over the expected lifespan of the equipment and compare different equipment options. By evaluating the TCO, you can make informed decisions regarding equipment acquisitions, identify cost-saving opportunities, and optimize equipment utilization for construction projects. D. Optimization of equipment utilization. Optimizing equipment utilization in construction involves maximizing the productivity and efficiency of equipment to achieve project objectives while minimizing downtime and costs. Here are some key strategies for optimizing equipment utilization. 1. Equipment planning and scheduling. 2. Project coordination. 3. Equipment sharing and pooling. 4. Preventive maintenance. 5. Operator training and competence. 6. Real-time equipment monitoring. 7. Equipment performance analysis. 8. Optimal equipment sizing. 9. Data-driven decision-making. 10. Continuous improvement. By implementing these strategies, construction companies can optimize equipment utilization, improve project timelines, reduce costs, and enhance overall project performance. E. Management of fuel efficiency. Managing fuel efficiency in construction equipment is crucial for reducing operating costs, minimizing environmental impact, and improving overall equipment performance. Here are some key considerations and strategies for effectively managing fuel efficiency. 1. Equipment selection. 2. Right-sizing equipment. 3. Equipment maintenance. 4. Operator training. 5. Idle time reduction. 6. Route planning and optimization. 7. Load management. 8. Fuel monitoring and reporting. 9. Fuel efficiency awareness. 10. Continuous improvement. By implementing these fuel efficiency management strategies, construction companies can reduce fuel costs, minimize environmental impact, and enhance the overall sustainability of their operations. F. Controlling maintenance and repair costs. Controlling maintenance and repair costs for construction equipment is essential for maintaining profitability and maximizing equipment uptime. Here are some key strategies to effectively manage and control these costs. 1. Preventive maintenance program. 2. Documentation and record keeping. 3. Vendor selection and relationships. 4. Parts inventory management. 5. Equipment inspections. 6. Condition monitoring and telematics. 7. Proper storage and transportation. 8. Equipment life cycle planning. 9. Equipment operator feedback. 10. Continuous improvement. By implementing these strategies, construction companies can effectively control maintenance and repair costs, reduce equipment downtime, extend equipment lifespan, and optimize overall equipment performance. G. Inventory and spare parts management. Effective inventory and spare parts management is crucial for construction equipment operations to ensure smooth project execution and minimize downtime. Here are key considerations and strategies for managing construction equipment inventory and spare parts. 1. Spare parts identification. 2. Stock levels and reordering. 3. Supplier relationships. 4. Centralized inventory management. 5. Regular audits and cycle counts. 6. Forecasting and demand planning. 7. Spare parts storage. 8. Documented procedures. 9. Collaboration with maintenance team. 10. Warranty and return management. By implementing effective inventory and spare parts management practices, construction companies can minimize equipment downtime, improve project productivity, and reduce costs associated with spare parts procurement and inventory holding. H. Disposal and resale of equipment. Disposal and resale of construction equipment are important aspects of equipment management that can impact a company's financial performance. Properly managing the disposal and resale process ensures that companies maximize returns on their equipment investments. Here are key considerations and strategies for construction equipment disposal and resale. 1. Equipment evaluation. 2. Market research. 3. Asset documentation. 4. Equipment preparation. 5. Marketing and advertising. 6. Equipment inspection. 7. Pricing strategy. 8. Negotiation and sales process. 9. Legal and contractual considerations. 10. Document transfer and handover. By following these strategies, construction companies can effectively manage the disposal and resale of their equipment, optimizing returns on investments and maintaining a streamlined equipment fleet. I. Performance metrics and data analysis. Monitoring performance metrics and analyzing data is crucial for optimizing the operation and management of construction equipment. By leveraging performance metrics and data analysis, companies can identify areas for improvement, make informed decisions, and enhance overall equipment performance. Here are some key performance metrics and strategies for data analysis in construction equipment. 1. Equipment utilization. 2. Fuel efficiency. 3. Downtime and equipment availability. 4. Maintenance and repair data. 5. Operator performance. 6. Cost analysis. 7. Telematics and IoT data. 8. Predictive analytics. 9. Data visualization and reporting. 10. Continuous improvement. By leveraging performance metrics and data analysis, construction companies can optimize equipment utilization, enhance productivity, reduce costs, and improve overall operational efficiency. Continuous monitoring, analysis, and improvement form the basis for data-driven decision-making in equipment management. J. Management of vendors and suppliers. Effectively managing vendors and suppliers is crucial for construction equipment management. A strong relationship with vendors and suppliers ensures timely equipment procurement, reliable support, and cost-effective solutions. Here are key considerations and strategies for managing vendors and suppliers in the construction equipment industry. 1. Supplier selection. 2. Competitive bidding and negotiation. 3. Relationship building. 4. Performance evaluation. 5. Contract management. 6. Supply chain visibility. 7. Proactive communication. 8. Continuous improvement. 9. Performance incentives. 10. Continuous monitoring and benchmarking. By effectively managing vendors and suppliers, construction companies can enhance equipment procurement processes, ensure timely availability of equipment, access quality support services, and optimize the overall supply chain. A collaborative and mutually beneficial relationship with vendors and suppliers contributes to the success of construction equipment management. Friends, we discuss skills required for construction plant and machinery cost management, and we must admit that if we are not aware of our comprehensive skill set required for construction plant and machinery cost management, we will be unable to make sensible decisions. These sections provide a comprehensive discussion of the essential variables involved in cost management of construction plant and machinery correctly. Each subskill will be covered in detail in the subsequent video. Kindly leave your comment, name, phone number, and email in the comment box. We will communicate via WhatsApp or email. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel Infomechanizer, which is completely free.